Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So in maths we have completed with block 21, isn't it, children? So let's start with our new block, which is block 22, and the name of our block is subtracting two digits with regrouping. Okay, as we have done for addition we have done two for two digits, and then we have done with the regrouping also, isn't it, children? Here also we have done the subtraction in block 21. Now we will do the regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, okay, which is nothing but borrowing. In addition it was carrying, here it will be borrowing. Okay, children, so in this our first topic is subtracting using place value blocks. So you already know how to use place value blocks and subtract. You know how to do with the addition, and also you know how to do the subtraction also, isn't it, children? So here we will do the subtraction using the place value blocks. Okay, so the sum is use the place value blocks to subtract. Okay, next, 84 minus 17. So 84 minus 17. So here you have to use place value blocks. So for 84 you have to draw 8 rectangles, which means 80, and 4 ones, 4 small squares for ones, isn't it? 84. Okay, so let's draw. So let's count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rectangles. That means 8 tenths, isn't it? 80. 8 tenths means 80. And you have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones we have done it. Now what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction with what? With 17, isn't it? That means you have to strike away like this. We did know in the previous block in the same way. But children, if you see, you have only 4 ones, isn't it? But how many you have to strike it off, take it away? 7 ones you have to take it away, because it is 7. So 17, the number is 17, yes, and in ones you have 7. How can we do? We have only 4, no? How can we do? Is you have to break this 110 into ones. So how do you get ones, children? When small ones, if you add 10 together, then you will get 110, which is represented as a rectangle, isn't it, children? Now what we have to do is we have to break this one rectangle 110 as small squares as ones. Okay, let me show you. So here they are, and if you remove one rectangle, how many will be left out? 7 will be left out, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7 you will draw it, and this 110 you will break down into ones and draw 10 small squares. Okay, see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finished. Now this 110 I'll break down as ones. 10 ones. See. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These 10 together, when we put together, it becomes 10 like this. A rectangle. Okay, that rectangle we are break it down into small squares as ones. Okay, children, am I clear? Then you will draw this 4 again here. This 4 ones we have to draw it, right? So you will draw 4. Now from this you can subtract 17. In ones you have 7, so you can cancel 7, because you have 10 here and here you have 4. Together 10 plus 4 becomes 14. 14 ones you have. Now from 14 ones you have to remove 7 ones. Okay, let's remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 we have removed. Now check how many are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Okay, so 7 ones are left out after removing 7 from 14. Okay, and now from this tens we have to remove 110, because here in 17 7 ones we have cancelled 7 ones here. Now in tens you have 110, isn't it? So you will remove 110 also. Now how many are left out? In tens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens you have. And in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. That means 6 tens plus 7 ones. So 6 tens and 7 ones will give us 67, isn't it? 6 tens and 7 ones, 67. That means when you subtract 84 and 17, you will get the answer 67. So that's what you will write. Therefore, 84 minus 17 is equal to 67. Okay. So as we have break down 110 into small ones, 10 ones, that is called regrouping. Okay, we are removing tens and we are making into ones. Okay children, so that is, in this way you need to solve. Let's do another sum. 60 minus 34. So 60 minus 34, 60, 6, 0. So you don't have any ones, isn't it children? Only tens you have. But we need to subtract 34, where in ones you have 4, isn't it? So let's draw 60 first. So here there are 6 rectangles which represents 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you have to remove 34. But we don't have ones here, no children. So, but here you have ones. 4 ones you have. Okay. So what you will do, you will break down this tens. You will break down this rectangle into small squares. How many you will get when you break down one rectangle? 10 ones you will get, because 10 ones will make 110, isn't it? So you will break down. So if you break down this one, how many will be left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rectangles. So let's break down 5 rectangles. Let's draw 5 rectangles, and one rectangle I'll break it down into ones. And how many I will get? 10 ones I will get. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 small ones, isn't it children? Now I have to remove 4 from it. Here you have 4 in ones place in 34, isn't it? So you will have to remove 4. That means you will have to strike it off 4. So here they are. 4 I have to strike it out. How many are left? 6 ones are left. Okay. Now coming to tens. Okay. How many we have to strike it off? 30. No. 30 means 3 rectangles we have to strike it off. So let's strike it off. Here they go. Now how many tens? How many rectangles are left? 2 rectangles. 2 rectangles means 2 tens, isn't it? And in ones you have 6 ones. So you will write that. 2 tens plus 6 ones. Now 2 tens becomes 20 and 6 ones becomes 6. The answer will be 26. Okay. So what you will write finally? Therefore 60 minus 34 is equal to 26. Okay children. So in this way you need to solve the problems children. There are few more in your daily schedule. Copy it down in your classwork book. Okay. Coming to your homework children. Complete the volume book 3, page number 31, S1, place value blocks. Okay. So in the next class we will learn the next topic children. See you in the next class. Bye.